In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an affiliate marketing website so you can get started earning a passive income online. On your affiliate marketing website, you'll be able to promote other people's products and earn commissions when customers buy those products. And these beautiful websites are so easy to set up, you'll be up and running in under an hour. I have my own affiliate marketing websites, and if you stick around till the end of this video, I'm going to show you some case studies of those affiliate marketing websites making money in real time. Hi, I'm Dave, and I've been affiliate marketing since 2007, and I want to share my experience with you. If this is your first time visiting, please click subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I load up new money videos. Please also smash the like button until it turns blue. This really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to do for our affiliate marketing blog is we need to get a domain name and we need to get hosting. And you can do both of these very simply at the same time over at Bluehost. Check the link in the description to go to Bluehost right now and follow along. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to click Get Started on the Bluehost homepage. All right, and we've got a number of plans here, and it can get a little bit confusing, but for setting up our affiliate marketing blog, we're going to take the simplest and the cheapest option available to us, which is the basic plan. Okay, so we're going to get the $3.95 a month plan. So we select that. And then next, what we need to do is we need to either tell Bluehost what our domain is if we already have one, or if we don't have one already, what we're going to do is create a new domain. All right, so for example, we might be promoting tech products, in which case we'd have a tech-related general domain name. If we were promoting health-related products, then we're going to do the same. We're going to have a kind of diet or exercise or health-related blog name. For our example today, let's imagine we are promoting Amazon products and we're doing reviews of Amazon products. Now, in that case, because Amazon is quite varied in the products that they offer, we might want to go for something very general in nature for the domain name. So for example, maybe lifestylereviews.com for our Amazon affiliate marketing blog. So we'll put in lifestyle reviews. I recommend you stick to a .com domain name because that has kind of the most authority and the best reputation. And we'll click next. What's going to happen is it's going to tell us whether the domain is available or not. And in this case, the domain is not available. So it gives us some suggestions, for example, lifestylereviews.online. But maybe what we could do is we could just add a hyphen in between lifestyle and reviews. And let's see if that one's available. That one's not available either. Okay, so lifestyle reviews. It's given us a good suggestion, lifestylereviews.net. If you can't get a .com, a .net is the next best option. So we might go for that one. We might go for the .net. So let's go down here. We'll click on next. And we get the nice big green, it's available. All right, so we're going to have to go through and fill out our details here. We next need to select our package information. Now, to get the $3.95 a month price, we need to pay for 3 years up front. I like to keep a little bit of flexibility when I'm registering a domain name, so I might pay a little bit more per month, but go for the 12-month price. Okay, so that's going to come to a total of $71.40 or $5.95 per month. Okay, now we've got some extras down here. So domain privacy and protection, we definitely want to leave that one checked on. And that's because if you don't have this one checked on, your address details and your name will be publicly available if someone searches on your domain name. So you definitely don't want that to be publicly available, because what will happen is you'll start to get emails from people and maybe phone calls from people trying to sell you things based on the domain name. And some scammers try trying to tell you, your domain's about to expire, you're going to lose this, please pay me $300 to renew it, and things like that. So we want to keep our domain privacy on. CodeGuard Basic, we don't need this. We want to put SSL on so that we have a secure website, because people are more likely to trust our website if we have that little padlock next to the domain in the address bar. And site lock security, we don't need this. Okay, so next we need to enter our credit card information. We can select their terms and click submit. Okay, so as soon as you've clicked that green submit button, you're going to be asked to create a password. I have read, and here we go. Okay, our account is ready to go. Now we can log in. Log into our account. We just need to put our password in here. So let's do that now. Okay, and we'll click login. Okay, so here we go. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to go through this whole process of getting your affiliate marketing blog started. So we're going to skip this step. Alright, skip, whoop, skip, 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 skip. Okay, so look at this. WordPress is being installed for us. We don't have to do anything. Okay, so from here, everything's been done for us to set up WordPress. All we need to do is we need to click Login to WordPress. So we'll be logged straight into WordPress like this, and we can go down here and we can just say simply launch your site. That's going to make our affiliate marketing blog live, so we can check that out right now. So it's now changed from the coming soon to a very simple blog post saying hello world. All right, so obviously we want to do a little bit more with this website. So what we're going to do with our affiliate marketing blog is we're going to install a really special plugin that's going to help us build awesome review pages. And that plugin is called Thrive Architect. And I'm going to lead you through how to install that plugin and how to create your first review pages, your first affiliate marketing pages. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to plugins on the left-hand menu. We're going to click add new. And this is going to allow us to upload a plugin. We can ignore these for the moment. Okay, so we need to upload a plugin. We need to upload the Thrive Architect plugin, but first we've actually got to get that plugin. Okay, so we're going to get the Thrive Architect plugin, and that's going to allow us to make really cool looking landing pages like the one we're actually looking at right now, the Thrive Architect landing page that we're on. Okay, so we're going to be able to make stuff like this with our WordPress installation. So what we need to do is we need to say, yes, I want to build better content and landing pages. All right, and it's going to take us to an order page for this plugin. Now there are two options here. There's one which is a Thrive membership, and there's one which is just Thrive Architect on its own. Now the Thrive membership is a monthly membership. You don't actually need that because we're only going to use one website. We only need to buy the Thrive Architect plugin once. Okay, so we're going to click on this Thrive Architect button, and then we're going to order one license. So we're going to click buy now down here. And when we click buy now down here, it's then going to ask us for our credit card information or our PayPal details. Once we check out, it's going to take us to a dashboard, and I'm going to take you in and show you that now. Okay, so in your Thrive dashboard, to install Thrive Architect is a simple three-step process. You download this plugin, you activate the plugin, and then you install your products automatically through that plugin. So we're going to download the Thrive Product Manager plugin. All right, so we got that. So we're going to go back to our WordPress. We're going to upload the plugin. We're going to choose the file. Okay, so I've got the Thrive Product Manager plugin from my hard disk. Now I just need to click Install Now. and then we need to activate the plugin. And now we have a Thrive Product Manager link on the menu down here. So we're going to click that. Now we can log into my account. And what that means is we're going to connect this WordPress installation with our Thrive account, and it's going to automatically install that Thrive Architect plugin for us so we can start creating those awesome web pages. So let's do that now. And it automatically recognized that it was me because I'm already logged in this browser to Thrive. So the product I want to install is Thrive Architect. And there we go, the product was installed successfully. So it's as simple as that. Now we've got Thrive Architect. Now we can create our fantastic page. All right, so let's go over to Pages, and we're going to click Add New. So we need to type in a title for this page. Let's just call it Review Page. And we're going to click Publish. Publish again. All right. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this big green button here. Because we installed Thrive Architect, we've now got this big button so that we can edit the pages in this visual editor. So we click on the green button. And here we go. Now the first thing that Thrive Architect asks us is, do we want to create a normal page or do we want to create a pre-built landing page? We are going to create a pre-built landing page because we don't want this to look like a bodgy old WordPress site. All right, we want this to look really cool. So we're going to click pre-built landing page. And you can see some of these templates that come up look amazing. We've got, look at this. These look really cool. All right, and there's two categories of these. These are more business related, and we've also got on the left here something called legacy landing pages, and these tend to be more landing pages that you would want to use with your affiliate marketing blog. And if we go down, we've got a lot of cool sites, and one of the ones that you might be interested in checking out first off is this really nice review page. This is a great one for setting up a review page. Now remember, you don't have to stick with this template. You can modify everything about it. You can change the colors, you can change the fonts, you can change everything about it. So we're just going to click on that one to test it out. Let's click Apply Template. And I'll move myself back down here. Okay, so look at this fantastic review page, right? So we could say in our headline, top three microwave reviews, something like that. We don't need to have product name there. Top 3 microwave reviews, and then we have a sub headline. You'll never look at microwaves again after you read this, something like that. Same way again after you read our reviews of the top models. Okay, and you know, you put your name in there and you can have a date. If you don't want to put the date there, you can just delete that. We've got some social links here. If you've got some social pages, you can link them up here. If you don't want them, you can delete them like that. You can also Control Z to undo. Okay, if you want to put them somewhere else, you could put them like under his name. You can just move them wherever you want. Same with any of the elements on here. But look, I'm going to delete those because I think on a review page they'd be a little bit distracting. On an affiliate marketing review website, you want people to be focused on reading your review and clicking. You want them to click. You don't want them to be clicking on your social links. Okay, so we can add some images in here. That might be the image of our top microwave, or if we're promoting some software, that might be the top software. Review summary, the name of the microwave, the software, whatever it is we're promoting, what type of thing it is. This case is a WordPress plugin. Give it a summary, You can have a rating. Look at these ratings here. Look, we can actually say rating. We want to give this one a 5 out of 5, or we want to give this one a 2.5 out of 5, something like that. Okay, we can change the colors. You can have different styles. Look at that. You can have circles. You can have more kind of raised stars, that kind of thing. And of course, your very important affiliate link, you get it now button. You can paste, you highlight the button there, and you can paste your affiliate link in here. Okay, so let's just type in affiliate link for the sake of that. Okay, and then you can have more detailed review information behind each of these images too. You can add a link, and you can put your affiliate link in there. All right, and it's just super simple to set up. It's super simple to get your WordPress affiliate marketing blog ready to go. And you can have this set up in an hour, and you can be marketing your affiliate products from today. Okay, it's so super simple. And you can have this set up, this whole thing set up within an hour. You've seen how simple this is for me to have set up, and everything is just click and go, click and go, click and go. Get your blog set up on Bluehost, install your Thrive Architect plugin, pick your template, edit the text, and you're there, you're done. All right, so a few things that I wanted to show you as well. You can also view what this page is going to look like on tablets. And you see there, it makes it smaller, so it's easy to see what it's going to look like, and also what it's going to look like on mobile. So what you can do is you can go, you know what, on mobile, I don't like the fact that this headline takes up 2 lines. You might want to make sure it only takes up 1 line, in which case you need to reduce the font. So you can make that font say 24, and that's going to put it all in 1 line, and that's not going to impact the font size on the main page or on the tablet page. It's only going to impact it when you on the mobile page itself. So it keeps everything exactly the way you see it. It's really a what you see is what you get kind of system. All right, and once you've done all that, we're going to save our work, and we're good to go. Our website is up and running. And there we have it. Simple as that. We have got an affiliate marketing blog ready to go in less than an hour.